SPX 6900 is doing insane right now, but is the next coin gonna do as well? The next coin that I'm talking about, guys, is a copycat version of SPX 6900, which we will be doing an update on, but Token 6900 has raised $3.2 million. It's looking like an insane play. Website's really good, marketing's really, really good. It's memeable like crazy. I think it's actually made by the same creators, guys. They've had the audits done as well. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go check that out. Let's get straight into the SPX chart, and well, we'll start off on CMC for an update and show you guys exactly what's been happening here over the last few years and months. So the last year, it's actually up 10,000% here with a very, very bullish chart overall. I want you to remember this chart, guys, because the numbers will get bleak. We're on a pullback, okay? The last month, we're down 25% here. But just remember, guys, with the massive, massive uptrend for 25 cents here back in basically the 3rd of is that November? Yeah, the 3rd of March here. Sorry, the 10th of March. From that low, it's just at the bottom here, missed that. 10th of March from that low, all the way up to that high of roughly around $2.01 there. SPX 6900 has really, really exploded, okay? So the last, obviously, the month has been pretty bleak with its 26% pullback. The last 7 days, 9.44% pullback, and the last day, roughly around a 7%. So it hasn't been great, but this is a DCA level. We're still above $1 billion market cap. This thing seems to be holding really, really well here, and it will take part in the next big leg up for crypto. I'm 100% sure of that. You don't sit at $1 billion market cap for no reason, okay? So it's very, very likely that this thing will continuously run up and basically get back to that all-time high level. So if we look at the chart for SPX 6900, we can see that the all-time high level is basically at $2.27 now. Absolutely insane, guys. And this is why I want to just talk to you quickly about Token 6900, because if this can get to a $2.2 billion market cap, Token 6900 could easily get to like 100 million or 400 million dollar market cap, and that will literally be like I don't know, 100 or 200x on our investment from getting involved with this pre-sale this early. Okay, so if you guys do want to get involved, all the links are in the description. As I said, it's already raised $3 million. It's very, very likely that a massive chunk of this is going to marketing. We're talking KOLs, PR, ad campaigns, really, really insane stuff to send this token to the stratosphere, to the upside, right? So very, very looking forward to that. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go check that out. If you do want to get involved, you can get involved with your MetaMask, your Wallet Connect, which is like Trust Wallet, or even like Best Wallet or Base Wallet too. Ethereum, USDT, USDC, BNB, and Solana, I do believe is the assets that you can exchange for this token, which I have seen when I actually bought into that pre-sale myself. Now, moving on to the SPX 6900 chart, because as I said, significant pullback has come into fruition. Now, I want to be explicitly clear with you guys here. The market structure in these meme coins, in these assets that are above $1 billion market cap, is extremely important, okay? And what I mean by that is the lower low. We've got a high here. We've got a test of that high. We've got a higher low here, break of that high, pull back, higher low when we break this high. This high low is confirmed, trending all the way up, breaking that as a higher high, coming down, setting a new potential higher low, breaking this higher high, confirming this higher low, and then we've got a point of confirmation. Okay, so this is the most recent higher low for this uptrend. What does that mean for us, guys? It means as long as we're above $1, is it dead on $1? No, as long as we're above 91 cents. So that still could mean a bit of a reduction in the price. And I'm talking another 15% to the downside potentially. If that does happen and we stay above this area, we're still bullish, okay? We're still bullish as long as we're above this area. That's what the macro uptrend is telling us. And that is when the market structure will break, if it does. But it's very, very likely when we test this level of support, like we have done in previous price action, we explode right the way back to the upside, okay? So if you're looking for your entry on SPX 6900, you should definitely get into Token 6900 instead, okay? You're gonna make a lot more money doing that, but if you are looking to DCA into a live token right now, then this area would be my buy zone, okay? You've attracted insane amounts here, literally like 53% to the downside here. This is the perfect buying area, because if we do get back up to that top zone, which is very likely that we will, it's 111% here you can make on your investment. Absolutely insane. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. Go check out Token 6900. This won't last for very much longer. It's a super early opportunity, guys. This thing is launching literally, it says 1 day and 17 hours here. So if you do want to get involved, connect your wallet, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Best Wallet, or Base Wallet, USDT, USDC, BNB, Ethereum, or Solana. Exchange for Token 6900 and get involved with that pre-sale right now. Watch this thing go galactic at launch, okay? Do your own research. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.